Welcome back. Now you can send an advanced copy to a reviewer of your manuscript. Now what you want to keep in mind about this review is that when the person reviews it, it will not show as a verified purchase. It will be an unverified purchase, which may or may not influence someone when they're looking to consider that review as to whether or not they should purchase the book or not. So although you can't send an advanced copy, another way to do this is to go to your book just as you would any other book, and then you're going to click this link that says Buy for Others. What you're going to do then, of course, is you're going to put the recipient's email in, you're going to put your name in there, and then you're going to write in here that this is the book that you talked about having them review. Now this will count as a sale towards your sales statistics, and of course you will be paying for the book. So you have both of these ways of being able to offer individuals to review your book, but only one of which will show up as a verified purchase. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.